Yes, how are you members once again? And we want to actually learn how to create a company. And for the Tally software, one has to install it. The IT person must install. After installing, then the accountant will come and actually put in what he wants to put in. So number one, what you are supposed to do is to actually know how to create a company. The software once installed, it's up to the accountant to come and actually install the company, create the company. Then you also start creating the ledgers, you create all those stuffs for purposes of having the final reports prepared. Because the software will help us to prepare final reports, especially the statement of comprehensive income, the commonly known as income statement, and statements of financial position, commonly known as the balance sheet. So let us actually start and see how we can create our company. So I'm here. I will come here and use F3. This is accounts info. I will actually click there. After clicking there, then I have this page or this dialog box where the gateway of Tally company information. Select the company, connect, share the company, create the group companies, alter or make some alterations, and etc. But our interest here is to create a company. So we shall come to here. We shall actually come and click on create company. So this very black, this black box will actually be seen. So what you do, you actually type there the name of your company. So I can say accountants 2021 limited. Limited. So that is the what? That is the name. So after putting the name of the company, then the mailing name will also be the same name of the company. Then from there, I actually come to statutory compliance. You leave that. Then state, you leave that. You leave PIN codes, telephone numbers. You can even put the phone numbers. In most cases, when we come to phone numbers, you may find the company has address. We can also come here on addresses. You can put there like maybe PO box 1621. That is the box number. I press enter, 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 enter. I come to telephone numbers. Telephone numbers I can put there 07714151866. Stroke 0706346330. These are the phone numbers of the company. Then email, you can actually put there the email of the of the company, like accountants 2021 at gmail.com. So there you are. So after doing all that, then currency symbol, you can say Uganda shillings, UGX, you can say UGX. So when you say UGX and press enter, then you will actually experience here the currency symbol will come here and be there also. Then maintain accounts and inventory. Of course, we must maintain the accounts and inventories. Inventories are stocks, especially the companies which buy goods and sell goods. So when you buy stock of goods here, when you are actually trying to create your company, you have to select maintain accounts with inventory here. Accounts only. You don't actually put accounts only because it will disturb you when you want to enter any stock item. So select accounts and accounts with inventory. Then our financial year will begin with 1st January 2021, and the books of accounts. The books of accounts also should begin with the same with the same year. Then from there we actually move. We move. Press enter. Base currency symbol, it is UGX. Leave that. Then a number of decimal places 2. symbol, you leave that one, paste, then you come to this. So when it comes to show amounts in millions, then you have to instruct the company to accept by actually saying yes. Press Y, then press enter. Yes will be there because you'll be dealing in millions. Then the space between the amounts and symbols will also say yes. Then decimal places for printing amounts in words, we say what? We put there too. So now when we actually reach this end, we want to see what will happen because we are going to press enter and see what will actually happen. So here when we press enter, now the system or the software is actually trying to save the company we have created, the Accountants 2021 Limited. That is the name of the what? Of the company. Now the system is actually saving all what we have done. It is saving all what we have done. So meaning that after it has finished, then we shall actually see another platform. We shall see another home page for the company we have created. The home page of the company we have created. So please, members, be careful. Always, in case you want to do something, select the company of you select your company. Don't actually do things in some other companies. Mark the name of the company you have used or you have created, and let everything be done within that company. So now our system, our software is finishing up. So let us actually see what will happen. It has reached 100%. So now you can see where we are. We are in our company created, the company which was created, Accounts 2021 Limited. So here we can do everything. It has finished. Now we have learned how to create a company. So I think you have learned how to create a company. Is there anything? Always train yourself how to create companies, because creating companies will also be attracting some marks. When creating a company, just this one, what we have here on the screen attracts some good marks. And when we do something when we are actually trying to do this course unit, computerized accounting, any step you do, they mark. So we are counting down. For example, here we have finished creating the company. Then please, members who have been present, in case there is any student who comes and finds when you have done something, please share this video with him or with her, such that we all can be at par. In the next video, I'm going to send, I'm likely to send it either today or tomorrow or when I get time, but it will be about inventories, how to arrange, how to craft, how to create inventory ledgers in the system. If stocks, how do you handle stocks? How do you create groups? How do you create inventory items? How do you create the units of measurements for a certain stock? Stocks will be measured because we know that stocks, once stocks come, yes, supplies, we shall actually call them supplies. We have administration supplies, we have selling and distribution supplies, we have production supplies. We also have goods for sale. So when an item is received and it is for sale, then it will be put under goods for sale. If it is for office use, it will be put under administration. If it is for marketing, it will be put under selling and distribution supplies. So those are the groups we shall create, the group inventory groups, we shall create them. And I will actually take you through, and you learn how to operate, and you learn how to use it. So for the purposes of this meeting, allow me to stop from here and wish you a good day. Thank you so much. Thank you for your listening.